everybody, this is Peter Carpizos. You know, as a chef, former restaurant owner, and all of these things we had to do, you know, buying product, buying things, herbs was the most important thing. Without the herbs, we couldn't be a Mediterranean, Greek, Italian, Greek restaurant. So, the Italian seasoning trinity is Italian seasoning, oregano, basil. Okay, it's like a trinity, those three things. Make sure you got them in your house. Garlic is another thing. Have garlic. Basil, Italian seasoning, oregano, basil. Have some basil, dry basil, dry. Go to your store and get some, get a little small one. All right, test them out. Onion powder. But the most important things are the seasonings and salt. Yes, you need salt to taste, but your Italian, Greek, Mediterranean herbs. You know, these things are very important. So there we have it. I'll be back. Subscribe, like, look at the other videos I've got. Tons of videos up there. Everybody's watching them now.